Liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis on mission to build, resupply, and to do research.
Plus 5 seconds.
Liftoff normal. Allumage rapide décollage.
Failure is not the end, but an opportunity to grow and learn, embrace defeat and come back stronger. And that is what India's Isro has done. India successfully completed the Chandrayaan 3 mission on August 23rd, creating history. It's indeed a pride moment as India becomes the first country to land on Moon's south pole. But why do you think all countries have their eyes on Moon? Before that, let's know how Moon has actually evolved. The Moon's evolution has been a gradual process over billions of years. It formed around 4.5 billion years ago from the debris of a collision between a Mars-sized object and early Earth. Over time, the Moon's surface cooled and solidified. Later, Moon's surface was bombarded by asteroids and meteoroids, creating bowl-shaped cavity or depressions called craters. And the Moon's volcanic activity led to the formation of dark flat areas known as maria. This is how our salacious neighbor Moon was formed. From its historical significance to its scientific mysteries, Moon captures the imagination of countries worldwide. Many cultures revered Moon as a deity, and it played a crucial role in their calendars. By studying its geology, scientists can learn about Earth's early days and the processes that shaped both worlds. The Moon's proximity to Earth makes it a testing ground for life support systems, habitats, and sustainable resource utilization. This serves as a hub for scientific research and space tourism. The expected water ice could be a valuable resource for future human exploration, as it could be used for various purposes, including production of rocket fuel. It is also expected to contain volatiles like ammonia and methane. Moon's south pole is said to have a Aitken basin, which could provide insights into Moon's formation and evolution. Its water could be used as a resource to produce oxygen, to cool equipment, to produce hydrogen for fuel. Over years, several countries have embarked on ambitious missions to Moon, shedding light on its enigmatic surface and history. Let's have a look at the countries that have successfully explored the Moon. First is the Soviet Union's iconic lunar program. In 1959, Luna 2 became first human-made object to reach the Moon, crashing on its surface. Luna 9 achieved the first soft landing on the Moon. Luna 16, 20 and 24 missions successfully returned lunar soil samples to Earth, furthering our understanding of lunar composition. United States NASA also made history with their Apollo missions. In 1969, Apollo 11 achieved first human landing on the Moon, Apollo 17 being last mission in which humans walked on the Moon until now. Neil Armstrong's famous words, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for a mankind," marked a monumental achievement in the space exploration. China has emerged as a key player in lunar exploration with its Chang'e missions. Chang'e 3 achieved the first soft landing on Moon in 2013 to deploy U2 rover. Its recent Chang'e 4 and 5 missions have explored far side of the Moon and successfully collected lunar samples. India entered the lunar exploration arena with its spectacular Chandrayaan missions. Chandrayaan 1, launched in 2008, made significant discoveries including evidence of water molecules on the Moon's surface. Chandrayaan 2, launched in 2019, aimed for soft landing near Moon's south pole, but failed as its lander Vikram crashed onto the Moon's surface. Now let's know the technical obstacles that have prevented other countries from exploring the south pole of Moon as extensively as other areas. The south pole of Moon can have rugged and uneven surface due to craters, and this makes finding a suitable landing site more difficult. Due to axial tilt of moon, the south pole can experience long periods of darkness, which makes it challenging to rely on solar power for landers' operations. It is said to have extreme temperature variations between sunlight and darkness, which can drop up to -230 degrees Celsius in shadowed regions. This can affect the performance of landers' equipment. Communication with the lander at South Pole can be more challenging due to the curvature of the moon and limited number of relay satellites available for signal transmission. The South Pole can also experience high level of radiations from space and can pose risk to the lander's structural integrity. Also, compared to equatorial regions of moon, there might be limited data available about the South Pole surface features. Despite these challenges, interest in exploring Moon's south pole is high. Recently, Russia's Luna 25 mission was launched on 10th August 2023, which was its first Moon's mission in almost 50 years and was in competition with India's Chandrayaan 3 to become the first spacecraft to achieve soft landing on Moon's south pole. But unfortunately, Roscosmos, Russia's state space corporation, lost contact with Luna 25 shortly after 11:57 pm according to Greenwich Mean Time on 19th August 2023 after the spacecraft ran into difficulties and reported an abnormal situation. Roscosmos declared that the apparatus moved into an unpredictable orbit and ceased its existence as a result of a collision with the lunar surface. India's Chandrayaan 3, which was launched on 14 July 2023 at 2:35 pm according to Indian Standard Time from Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, has successfully landed on the lunar south pole on 23rd August 2023 at 6:04 pm, becoming the first nation to position lander Vikram and rover Pragyan near the south pole. Following landing, Isro released an image captured by Vikram lander's imager camera. On 23rd August, Pragyan rover descended from the Vikram lander and took its first moonwalk. It is equipped with solar panel for power generation. On 24th August, Isro has confirmed that lander module payloads have been activated. The Pragyan rover and Vikram lander will perform a set of testings on lunar surface for one lunar day, that is 14 Earth days, before the temperature drops below -200 degrees Celsius above the tolerance level of the Chandrayaan 3 instruments. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi met Isro scientists involved in successful Chandrayaan 3 mission in Bengaluru on 26th August and announced that 23rd August will be celebrated as National Space Day to mark the Chandrayaan 3 landing on Moon. He also announced that the touchdown spot of Vikram lander on lunar surface would from now onwards be called as Shiv Shakti Point, while the Chandrayaan 2 lunar landing point will be called the Tiranga Point. Moon's exploration has come a long way, from tentative steps to ambitious plans for sustained presence. With this, we are reminded that failure is the stepping stone of success. If you find this video interesting, do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.